my viewers, welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for your love, support, motivation and appreciation. I am really blessed to have you all in my life. I'm really blessed for all the spiritual energies, my spirit guides, my power animals, and all the guardian angels that are always by my side, protecting me, shielding me and guiding me, and they have just given me this opportunity to share this gift with you all. So thank you, universe, and thank you, Almighty, and may I catch some good vibes, and may you also have a prosperous life ahead. If you are new to this channel, if you are viewing this channel for the first time, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. This reading is a general reading for one of the zodiac signs. This reading is for Taurus. This reading may or may not resonate with other zodiac signs. Please do not be confused as to which sun, moon, rising, and Venus sign. Whatever sign resonates with you as in accordance to sun, moon, rising, or Venus, please follow that sign. And in one of my upcoming videos, I'll be doing this segment as well. So thanks a lot for your appreciation in that case in advance itself. Moving forward, if this reading resonates with you, please do reach out to me. Please do write in the comment section below. And I'm also open to one-to-one readings. The information of my Facebook, Instagram, and my emails is all given in the description box below. I'll be happy to hear from you. Now let's move forward. This reading is for my Taurians. Hello, how are you? Hope all the Taurians have seen my previous videos. Please do watch this video. If this video resonates with you, do continue to shower your support and love upon me. Okay, Taurians. Okay, my Taurus. Sadness is a part of life. If you'll not be sad, if you'll not have drawbacks, if you'll not have negativities, you cannot appreciate the positive side of life. You need to embrace the dark in order to understand light. You need to embrace the sadness in order to really enjoy and appreciate the goodness. So this sorrow state of mind of yours, or that's something which has not happened as per your pre-programmed blueprint, it's okay. It's a phase of life. You need to move forward. All your efforts and resources have not met your dedicated hardships. All your workmanship has not received the applaud or the appraisals which you were expecting. It's okay. It's time to move on, and to resolve this situation you need to take guidance from a very, very wise person. And I see this wise person is a female energy. She is full of wisdom. She can give you very good guidance irrespective of your area. This guidance, this direction can be taken from her. It is not necessary she is from your area of expertise or she is from your working area. She can be your friend, your colleague, or anyone whom you think has the needed knowledge, whom you think has the needed craftsmanship of giving you a better direction to fulfill your desires. Please do take direction from her. She is very good in her field, and in this case only you will get success. See, it is very, very essential to take guidance from her. It is very important. Only in that case you will be able to understand your drawbacks. Only then you will be able to understand where you are lacking. Although your blueprint is correct, your course of action is correct, but there are certain situations and events which we tend to overlook sometimes. It is just human nature. and we are all humans, we tend to make mistakes, so it's better to take some guidance in this area, and then you'll definitely move ahead, you'll definitely flourish. And if you do that, if you take guidance, if you learn from your past, if you learn from your mistakes, you put a solid foundation of your mistakes and put stairs on top of it, you will never slide down back. And in the process, do not forget to share your experiences with others. Give them the guidance which you are about to receive. Whatever guidance you are receiving, whichever direction you are taking, if somebody else from the same field or some different field comes to you, please do not shy in helping that fellow out. Please do not back out in helping that person out, because you are learning from your failures, from your experiences, and this adds on as extra feathers in your cap in terms of experience. So if other people are coming to you for any direction, you can act as a wise person, as a path shower to them. Use this this positivity of yours to spread around. And the only thing that you need to remember is uh, respect this female energy in your life. You need to appreciate, you need to recognize this female energy in your life. This female energy is an essential part of your life. In this course of time, when you are watching this video, for whatever reason you are resonating with it, respect the female energy in your life. Respect. If you are not going to give the proper respect and position and recognition to that female energy, you are not going to achieve success, you are not going to have that breakthrough which you are looking for. It is an essential rule for you. It is essential part of you for growing up, right? And Taurians, here's wishing you a great time ahead, and may God bless you, and have a blessed time ahead. Here's wishing you all the best.